WEEDO Industrial Grade Pro 3D Printer, 7.87. Quick Slicing Software WE20PRO F152s is equipped with the latest version of slicing software Wiibuilder, which brings a brand new experience to users. Faster loading and slicing, 60M moonlight model loading time 10s, 40s to complete slicing, predict print time and printing supplies, etc. The software supports multiple types, PLA, ABS, PC, nylon, consumable printing modes. Develop new seam concealment technology to print the model more accurately. Silent and healthy WE20PRO F152s adopts 4-door open and fully enclosed design concept. The main control chip is equipped with TMC2208 driver chip, which makes the printing process more quiet. WE20PRO F152s uses a 0.08mm air filter module to block the fine particles generated by 3D printing and protect the health of you and your family. Smart and convenient WE20PRO F152s does not require assembly and a wizard interface after booting, and it is also quick for beginners to use a 3D printer. With a 4.3-inch full-color touchscreen, automatic leveling, wire break detection, and power resumption functions, you can handle other tasks or relax while printing. Automatic shutdown after printing makes printing more energy-saving and environmentally friendly. Multiple print modes. WE20PRO F152s is equipped with a Wi-Fi module, which can control the printer through the app and supports Wiibuilder software to send slice files for printing with one click. Help button and warranty. Each operation interface of the machine has a help view icon, which is convenient for novices to quickly grasp the 3D printer. The additional design fact and error diagnosis can be quickly analyzed and resolved, even if they encounter problems. 1 year warranty and lifetime tech support. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.